Do you know what DEI stands for in my space, not diversity, equity, and inclusion? When I hear DEI, I hear didn't earn it. DEI. He's basically saying she didn't earn
Right.
it.
Right.
And when you put it in that context, when he says she's the DEI vice president, he's saying that she didn't earn it.
But they go
When he
even,
says that he says that because Biden dropped out and she became the nominee and he's a DEI nominee, he's saying she didn't earn it.
they go
That's the
even
other
worse. Oh, they
What's
go
the what's
even
worse?
worse. They go even worse than that. They claim, and there's a whole slew of Trump's acolytes, these sycophantic assholes, that are talking about how that she used sex and so on, sexual favors, in order to advance herself throughout her career. That is pervasive all over social media. All right?
So I must not be in those spaces. I've seen one or two things, but maybe because I haven't. But of course I block a lot of those bots and those nasty things, and so maybe I have filtered so much that I haven't heard a lot of it. Maybe you have, and maybe the way they target ads towards a white male, maybe they are targeting and sending that stuff to you. In my space, I might be getting rainbows, glitter, and sparkles in my inbox, but I'm not getting a lot of